Smile.
The other way. The other rocks are better. You can get out of the right off. You will
Eh?
let these fruit go by. Roxy, Buckley. Oh, the life of a dog.
Easy compared to us.
Usually you can't walk down there, right? So you always find cool stuff when you come down there. Stuff that's been washed up by the river.
Yeah.
And you never see it on your own. You got these green moss rocks growing in here. That's kind of cool.
Oh yeah.
It's definitely something weird.
Huh.
Bright green.
Yeah.
Are you guys swimming? They teach you when you're whitewater rafting there. I did that.
Eh?
You'll find these eddies here, these little
Oh yeah.
spots where there's no water moving and there's water moving there. Because when you get out of a water rapid, you gotta get into one of these right away, or else you'll be going down the river forever, right?
Yeah.
I did whitewater rafting a couple times there.
Oh yeah. I must
I
have.
wouldn't want to go down this waterfall.
No. That'd be kind of interesting.
Looking for golden rings.
Yeah.
That would be cool.
Good luck. Good luck.
Probably not going to swim out of it and go over top of the waterfall.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, you could just hang out,
Yeah.
hang out tonight and throw a movie on. We got Netflix.